Limited edition Oris Aquis? Sign me up. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Today's watch that we're taking a closer look at is a truly magnificent timepiece. I absolutely love Oris. I love their brand and everything they do with it, most notably these fantastic Oris Aquis limited edition models. This is a beautiful new edition celebrating the Payoon, but before we dig into all of its details, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. This is the larger version of the Aquis at 43.5 millimeters in diameter with a 50 millimeter lug-to-lug. It's 13.4 millimeters thick, and this special edition is powered by the Caliber 400 automatic. Oris Aquis watches have always been extremely impressive to me. I feel like the build quality and the uniqueness of the design make this stand out above the pack, especially when you consider its price point. Amidst the Aquis lineup, there have always been some really amazing and fun limited edition watches. What I enjoy about these limited editions is that they are typically in collaboration with marine restoration and conservation societies. The efforts of this watch in particular go towards the conservation of a very unique marine animal called the dugong, which is home in Thailand. This one is limited to 250 pieces and is a very cool and interesting timepiece. What I really like about this watch from a visual perspective is that it takes some of the most popular Oris Aquis features and puts them all together in one watch. It starts with a beautiful bright green dial covered by a slightly domed sapphire crystal. In addition to that, we have the very popular Oris Aquis relief bezel, which is a little bit more unique as it's got textured surfaces as opposed to an engraved ceramic. The bezel is still very comfortable to operate, feels good, and is extremely good quality. On top of your normal Oris Aquis impressive build, this one has the amazing Caliber 400 automatic movement inside, as indicated here at the bottom with the 5 days. It also has a 6 o'clock date, and of course is 300 meters water resistant. The Aquis bracelet is one of my favorite in all of watchmaking. It has a beautiful taper, great looks, and feels incredible. The caseback on this watch has a very beautiful engraving of a mother dugong with its baby as a reminder of the conservation for this particular animal. Underneath, of course, like I said, is the Caliber 400, which is an amazing automatic movement. It has a 5-day power reserve, very impressive accuracy, and Oris stands behind it by offering a 10-year warranty to go along with all the watches with this movement inside. This watch also has very impressive and enjoyable luminous material on the hands and indices, including on the second hand, making it very easy to read in the dark. Just like other Oris Aquis models, this watch is super enjoyable to actually wear. It is a little bit heavy being made in solid stainless steel, but the bracelet is a great balance for the actual watch and case itself, and it looks great on any sized wrist, including my 8-inch wrist. This gorgeous limited edition watch comes in at a price point of $3,600 US. When you consider the limited status of 250 pieces, along with the really cool collaboration and impressive build quality and movement, this really is a great watch for the money. This watch is gorgeous and would be amazing all on its own, but when you consider its mission and the limited edition status, it really stands out above the rest. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.